So today I would like to give a clarity on these following concepts: burning, melting and conduction of heat. See, these are all related to heat. Many students get confused among these three terms. Like they even say if an object is melting, they say burn. Some people say if an object is melting, they say it is conducting. Okay, first you should have a clarity on these concepts, like what is burning, what is melting and conduction of heat. So I'll explain very clearly on each concept. First, burning. What is burning? Burning is also called as combustion. What is it's also called as combustion. 8th class students, 8th class onwards, you can see this kind of word, and this is a very much familiar word, combustion. So what do you mean by combustion? Here, when object is burning in the presence of oxygen and gives out respective oxide or some kind of product. But here main thing is object is burning. So how can we say the object is burning? It is reacting with oxygen. Like magnesium ribbon I have taken and burning in the flame LPG, then it is catching fire. It is catching fire because it is reacting with oxygen and giving enormous amount of heat energy and light energy, right? So then we can say it is combustion or burning. Okay, now that's burning or combustion. Next, melting. Melting is a physical process. Here burning, you saw, that is a chemical process, as a chemical change. You get a new substance in burning, but in melting you don't get a new substance, it's a physical change. What happens here? It just changes the state, like it changes the state from solid to liquid. For example, ice melts. When ice melts, it turns to liquid, means it's a water, right? The formula of water and ice same, H2O, right? So there is no change, like there is no chemical change, there is no change in the composition, so it's melting. So to change the phase, like state from one state to another state, you here what is involving? Heat energy involving. Here also you can see there is a involvement of heat energy, right? Here it is releasing. Okay, here it is absorbing the heat energy and changing its state. Okay, but it's a physical change. The next concept is conduction of heat. Now this is the main thing you need to understand about this heat conduction. Is completely the concept is different. Unlike burning and melting,